Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Esty Michelle. Today I'm doing an updated video on side hustles for 2020. Throughout this year, a lot of things have changed, especially from when I made that video. So I wanted to come back today to just give an update on some of the topics and some of the side hustles that I touched upon in that video, and also delve deeper into those. So in today's video, I'm focusing on online income and ways to make money at home. So while we're all home, it's the perfect time to find ways to pique our creativity, pique our curiosity, get a new hobby, and make some money. So in today's video, there are about 4 to 5 side hustles slash gigs that I mentioned in the first video that I want to talk more about, like I mentioned in the beginning. So if you're excited about finding out ways where you can make anywhere from $100 a day to $1,000 a day, stay tuned. So some of the hustles that I'm going to be talking about in this video are hustles that I've decided to even hone in on myself during this time. From months ago when I made part 1, I've decided to really take on some of these things and really put my eggs into those baskets. Especially now during these times, it is best for us to have ways to make money online. It's best for us to have multiple sources of income, and we just need things to just get us excited nowadays because it's been really tough on a lot of people. The very first one that I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. So I mentioned affiliate marketing in my last video, but this time I want to just talk about it a little bit more. I also mentioned that I was able to make up to $4,000 in 1 month from my affiliate marketing link, and that was using one site, and it was one link and 2 videos that I did like 2.5, 3 years ago that I'm still making money off of to this day. So that is an amazing way to make passive income. So before I hop into that, I just want to talk about Skillshare. This video is sponsored by Skillshare, and I just want to talk about how I've been actually using Skillshare to better my knowledge on SEO and marketing and entrepreneurship because I need to know that stuff. So what Skillshare is an online learning community where creatives come together to really take on their creative journey. And what I really like about Skillshare is that they offer from illustration to design to videos to freelancing to marketing to entrepreneurship, and I'm just like, oh, it's like me being a kid in a candy store and all these things you can use right now to benefit yourself and make money today. So a big thing with affiliate marketing is SEO, search engine optimization, keyword placing, pretty much getting your stuff ranked. So because of that, I decided to take Introduction to SEO with Rand Fishkin, and he is teaching me like almost everything that I need to know about SEO. I'm just like, I actually don't know a lot that I thought I knew. And it's helped me for my affiliate marketing and affiliate links and make more income. And I really like that they have curated like specific learning. And it's $10 a month if you do like an annual subscription. It's unlimited knowledge. And I just love it. So let me stop rambling about it. I'm gonna link the information down below. And luckily for you guys, the first 1,000 subscribers that click the link in the description will get a 2-month free premium membership. So you can explore your creativity. More than enough time to learn something and become almost an expert. So there are a couple of ways that you can do affiliate marketing. You can have an affiliate marketing link, an affiliate link that you place in like your Instagram bio, have a website that you create. It could be a Shopify website. It could be a blog website you actually curate and write articles for, and then you link your affiliate marketing link in it when you're suggesting something or you're recommending something. You could have a YouTube channel and have affiliate links on your YouTube channel video description box. There's lots of ways that you can link something for affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing if you didn't watch my other video? So pretty much affiliate marketing is marketing and promoting a product that isn't yours, but you receive a commission off of that. So you receive a percentage once you promote it and there's a sale made through your direct link. It has to be tracked back to you. I think it's such a phenomenal way to make money without having any product in stock, any inventory, because it's not your product, it's not your inventory. If you trust the brand, you trust the product, why not make a commission off of promoting it? You talk about products all the time with your friends, you talk about products all the time with your family. Why not make extra income by promoting it? You can do it really passively by a link in your bio on Instagram, you can make a comment on Facebook, or you can take a more active approach by having a website. You can take a more active approach by having having a YouTube channel where you review stuff and then you place the link in the description and you do a call to action and you make sure that people click the link down below to get the product that you recommended. So with affiliate marketing, if you're going to be doing the website route, you want to make sure that your website is ranked. You want to make sure that your website pops up when people are searching for those keywords. You want to make sure that you have proper keywords, that your website is properly optimized, that the title at the top of the website bar link is properly optimized. Like, you want to make sure everything is A1. And yes, it is a lot of work in the beginning, but once you put in that work, you will really appreciate the passive income that you're making literally in your sleep. Once your website is up and running and you have great information listed, you're giving great advice, but you're also plugging in your affiliate links, you're gonna make so much money and you're gonna be so grateful that you put in that time and effort to do that. You can also have affiliate links that you make through like Facebook ads or ads that are placed on Google. And once you learn like search engine optimization from like Skillshare or wherever, you can learn how to properly rank your ads or rank your, your page when you have a website so that people are clicking on your stuff. You can have ads, like I said, but I think a better method than having ads is to actually review the product. So instead of just like placing an ad in front of someone and having them click it, which is a fine way to make your affiliate links count and get the click through, but I think it's also good to have product reviews. People love when people have product reviews, and you seem more credible when you have a product review. So if you can have a product review on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, on your website, any place that you can place a product review, or like I said in my last video, if you see a forum and people are discussing something and you've tested out a product, you can just drop the product right there with your affiliate link and boom, you can make a commission every time someone purchases. And one way that I actually just recently discovered, and I'm like, why didn't I think about this, is TikTok. TikTok is an amazing platform to have an affiliate link. So no, people cannot click out from a direct video. However, if you review a product on TikTok and say the video does really well, you can link it in your description and people will click out and buy the product. So there's this TikTok creator called Top Online Finds, and they literally review things that they get online, mainly Amazon. And they have 2 million followers, 2 million followers. So what they do is after they properly review a product, they then link their website into their, description, well, the bio on TikTok. And then they actually have like a full website where you can then link out to your Amazon store from that website. So they curate it really nicely. You don't have to have a website like that. If you wanted to have a TikTok page where you are reviewing products and you want people to click out to your Amazon store, you can link the Amazon store in your bio. If you are reviewing stuff from a bunch of other places that also have affiliate links, then you might not want to just use your Amazon store. You might want to take time to create a Shopify store and it's going to be curated just like Top Online Finds, where people can find what you recommended and what you reviewed. And I'm just like, wow, this is such a great idea. Like, your face doesn't have to be in the video at all. It literally could just be your hands touching the product, reviewing the product, and it could be quirky stuff. Anything that you find off of Amazon would be amazing. Networks that I like to be a part of is one, Amazon, which I've mentioned before, 2, AliExpress, because I do order things from AliExpress and I do make a commission off of AliExpress, so I'll link that stuff below, and 3, ClickBank. I've just started getting to ClickBank, and I think that's another amazing place to get affiliate links and review products and make a commission off those products. So check those places out. So just before I mentioned Shopify, when I mentioned creating a website where you could place and host your affiliate links. Well, Shopify is another great website for you to have your own brand or be a brand manager for somebody else. So social media management was another topic that I touched upon in part 1, but I didn't really delve too much deep into it. This time I want to talk about brand management and how to properly manage a page or a social media channel or a platform for a client. So there are courses even on Skillshare where it teaches you how to grow your social media audience, grow your social media following for your own personal brand. And you can also leverage that for a client if you don't have any products or a brand that you personally want to sell. You can be the person that is literally managing their brand. You're transforming it, you're building their aesthetic, you're creating a really great customer experience for their clients when they land on their page. You can do web design for them, you can do UX design, you can just also just be an all-around brand strategist for a company, and they will literally pay you big bucks. This is where I'm talking about like the hundreds to $500 a day. The affiliate links was what I was talking about when I was saying $1,000 a day. I haven't made $1,000 a day off affiliate links, but I know people that do because they put in the time and they are committed and consistent. I have not reached that level of consistency yet, but I plan on doing that for the last half of this year. My goal is to be consistent, and hopefully my part 3, I'm coming back to you guys and telling you guys how much more money I made with affiliate links. But for right now, let's regroup and get back to Shopify. So Shopify is an amazing website hosting platform where you can build your own website, have the affiliate links on there, or build a website for a brand and be a brand manager and social media strategist. So after like brand management and social media management, if you don't want to do that, you can also do web designing, which I also mentioned in my last video, where you don't have to like be like married to the brand. You can literally create their website for their product launch, for their just everyday site, and then collect your coins and go. Another hustle that I actually didn't mention at all in my last video is being a virtual assistant. Now is the time to be a virtual assistant. So if you love to be organized, you have your ish together, you can put together a calendar really well, you can use Microsoft Suite and Excel and PowerPoint, all that stuff really well, why not be a virtual assistant? People are looking for virtual assistants in this time because they are really busy with their schedules. They don't know how to properly manage and organize it, and you could be that person for them. So if you are a people person, or actually you don't even have to be that much of a people person because you're not going to be around people. I can barely keep my schedule together, but if you can do that and you can get someone else's schedule together, why not? I would just Google like where you can sign up for that. I know you could do like people per hour or Upwork and get yourself a virtual assistant gig. So another one is photography and film. This is something that you would do if you already have the equipment and it is easy for you to do it. Say you already take amazing photos for yourself or of your friends. Why not take photos for brands that you think are amazing? If I were you, I would take some product shots of things that you already have in the house. It doesn't even have to be their products, but it would be a bonus if it was their products. And then you can find their PR person or find their creative director and send them some product shots and show them your work, show them your talent, and show them how you can actually make product shots for them. You can do photography for them. You can create short commercials for them. Brands love that initiative. Instead of you just contacting them and asking for a job opportunity, show the initiative, show that you are willing to do the work, and they will be so grateful for that. The next one is online tutoring, which is completely different than any of the ones that I mentioned before. But if you like teaching, if you are an expert in a certain field, why not online tutor? This is the time. Many students are at home. They are really not like grasping the virtual learning, and it's really not something that's benefiting them. So maybe additional learning after school would benefit them, and why not do online tutoring? I have a really big feeling that online tutoring is going to be in high demand, especially with kids going to school and having a tough time doing the virtual learning at home. They, like I said before, they'll need some extra assistance. Certain things like online tutoring or virtual assistant, that's probably not going to make you $1,000 a day, but if you do like affiliate marketing or brand management, social media marketing, you can make almost $1,000 a day if you put in that work. And I've seen tons of great testimonials. Like I mentioned before, I have touched like $4,000 a month with affiliate marketing, and that was completely passive. I did not even do that much work. I literally linked it, an Amazon link, in one video, and Amazon actually only pays out up to 10% on commission with the affiliate link. So if I was using like ClickBank or another affiliate network, I could have probably made so much more money on a product that I was promoting. Some other affiliate networks have up to 90% of commission that you can make, and that is a lot of money. And I could sit here all day long and talk about the ways that you can make money online, but I would be here all day. There's just so much to learn. There's so much to know. There's so much to do, and I just hope that this video helps just a little bit, especially with affiliate marketing and affiliate links, and I could keep making more videos. Like, just comment below what else you'd like to see, and I would love to make more videos. I love watching, you know, people on Skillshare, people on YouTube when I'm learning things like this, and I hope that I can be that resource for you guys as I go along this journey myself. It's just a lot. It is a lot. I'm gonna link part 1 of my video as well. You can click it either, it's up here somewhere. You can click it up here. I gave 20 at-home side hustle tips. So I didn't want to do 20 this time. I just wanted to talk more in depth about certain ones that I touched upon in the last one and then offer new ones for this video. That is all, guys. I hope you guys were able to get some great tips from this video. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. And please remember and before you do anything else, please remember to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload, because YouTube doesn't like to notify people. So